everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be doing some makeup. I guess this is a makeup tutorial. I haven't really done one in so long. It's been like months. I haven't been wearing as much makeup lately, so that's probably why. I normally just get up too late to do it, or I'm just going to work, so I don't really feel like wearing makeup. But recently I've been trying out some new techniques and such, and just getting new products, so I thought that I would include them in this video. And also my window's open, so that's why you might hear noises outside. Yeah, I thought I'd just do a chill get ready with me type video. I'll have to zoom you guys in a little probably. Okay, so first I'm just gonna put my hair up, and I'm just gonna start with this Burt's Bees toner. It's witch hazel. I could put it on a cotton pad, but I don't feel like doing that right now. This smells so good. Okay, I just like to start with like a cleansed face, you know? I want to do a little moisturizer. Lately I haven't even been wearing moisturizer, but this one's just from CeraVe. It's actually for the nighttime, but I don't have any others, so just a little dot of that. Also, I just wanted to give a shout out to Danny from Cheesecake Factory. She came up to my car last night and recognized me from YouTube, so I thought that that was so cool, and I felt famous for a second. And she was just so sweet, so shout out to you, girl. Okay, also I watched this TikTok where a girl put like all these like dots on her face, and then she blended them out, and it was like dots of cream, like blush and bronzer and everything. I don't have cream bronzer. I don't think. I could look for some, but I'm gonna try to do that just to be satisfying. Also, one of these is my color and one is not, so I'm trying to figure out which one it is. My favorite foundation is the Fenty Pro Filter one. I'm in the shade 190 when I'm tan, like when my body, I went outside yesterday. I know, good for me. And I watched March Madness in the pool, and I got tan a little. This is like pretty tan for me. I mean, you can see like, no you can't. Okay, you can't see how tan I got, but I did get a little tan. So when my body is tan, I like to use 190. Oh wait, I don't know how to do this. I think I'm just gonna use my finger. Oh wait, I think this is kind of stupid actually, because I missed where the blush goes. There's also another one where you draw like a bunch of squares on your face and then fill them in with the different colors and blend them out. It looked really cool, but I just don't have time for that right now. And when my body's tan, I don't even need to blend down my neck, so everything just is so much easier. Taking my beauty blender, that I need to get a new one, but oh wait, I didn't do any other dots. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna do dots of all the bronzer and everything. Okay, here's my concealer. I actually don't like concealer. I don't know why. I just like, I can never find a good one. This one is Naked Skin by Urban Decay. It's pretty good. It's just like, I think the shade's too light, and it smells like paint, so I'm not a huge fan. Yeah, like I don't know what I'm doing right now, but the idea is just to like blend everything out once. So I have a cream blush that I could do, except last time I did this it went a little wrong. Also, I cleaned all my makeup brushes last night, and they're all clean and fresh, except my highlighter brush. Does that look purple to you? I don't know what happened, but it literally turned purple. Nothing like comes off purple, but it turned the like bristles purple. This is my cream blush from Honest Beauty. Oh god, that's probably already too much. Also, it's like on top, whatever. The idea is it just all blends together, so we're just gonna see how that works. This just looks horrible. I don't have a cream contour, so we're just gonna blend all this. Oh shoot, I forgot that the Fenty oxidates like really fast, so I'm just gonna have dots of foundation. Okay, I gotta blend fast. Oh my god, it's like already dry. That sucks. Also, I have to go somewhere, so I don't know why I decided to do this. I'm just like spreading dry foundation on. It's horrible. Also, the blush like doesn't even blend in. Well, maybe it does. I don't know how satisfying that is. I am so much happier now that it is light out when I get home from work, because there was a time where the sun was setting at like 4:30 and it was really dark, literally and figuratively or metaphorically, I don't know. I am so much happier when it's sunny out and it's warm and it's like bright out. It makes me so happy. Okay, so everything's blended out. I feel like that was pretty easy, but it doesn't feel like it saved much time. Actually, it does. Like, I didn't have to do my concealer separately and my blush separately, even though I'm probably gonna put on blush because you can't even tell now. So I did say I needed a new beauty blender, and my mom got me these ones. They're just like an off-brand beauty blender. She got me all these different colors, but it doesn't work the same. I don't know what it is about the beauty blender, but I just think it's so much better than any of the other makeup sponges, even though it's so expensive. But I feel like something about it, maybe it's just like my mind tricking me, like this is a beauty blender and this is not, so this feels like it doesn't work as well. But I still want to use these as just like for powder. Okay, I actually kind of liked how doing all the base at the same time. So my powder, none of the powders I have are the right shade, so I just mix my Laura Mercier and my Fenty Beauty and my Airspun powder all in the same thing. So I have like an orange shade, a yellow shade, and a white shade, and all together they kind of match. So Fenty, it's the banana one. I was recommended to get it, but it's too yellow for me. And then the Laura Mercier, it's just like Flashback Mary, like white as a ghost. And then the Airspun one, I just don't think the quality's super amazing, but all three of them together, that's what's up. So I just put them all in the lid of the Airspun powder. And then I just go under my eyes, like pushing it in. And then I go right here, like a little line under my cheekbones. And then again on the other side. And sometimes I'll do on the sides of my nose. I've always wanted to get my makeup professionally done, exclusively by James Charles. That's like my dream. Like I know that once James Charles does my makeup, I've made it. Oh god, it's all over my shirt. That's the one thing about like loose powder, it just gets everywhere. Now I'm taking my favorite Hoola bronzer. I have bought this maybe once or twice and I'm almost out, but it lasts so long. It's like the best product ever. I just do a line there, then kind of just outline my forehead, blending in right above my eyebrow. If you guys have watched my makeup videos before, I pretty much do all the same stuff, just like maybe a little different each time. I don't know. And also I don't know everything about makeup. I just watch videos about it and do it like once a week. And then I try sometimes, oh, now that all my makeup brushes are clean, I can use a fresh brush. I don't know what the best like nose contouring brush would be. I have this weird one. It looks like that. It's like for nose contouring, like that. But if you go like that, like it doesn't work. So okay, sorry, I had to stop recording because my thing ran out of storage. Oh, I was trying to do nose contour, so I don't know what type of brush to use. Thinking like that. Sis does not want to focus, but I can go like, I don't know. This is what I see people do on Instagram and TikTok and whatever. I don't know. Does my nose look smaller? And then I'm lightly pressing. Yes, I don't know about that. I'm just gonna take a clean, fluffy brush. Yeah, my nose thing isn't blending in, so now I just look like stupid. Oh god, this is still kind of wet from last night when I washed it. Whatever. Can you tell I like drew lines on my nose? I don't know. I think that's pretty good. Oh, I forgot. I wasn't gonna blend with a beauty blender. I was gonna try to blend with a brush because I've seen people do that. I feel like it might look better than using a beauty blender. I'm just gonna take this little NARS blush on this little curved fluffy brush. I don't really like this one because it has so much sparkles in it. I just need like a blush that's like matte and like a nice color. This one has so much sparkle. Like I feel like I only see like highlight right here, not even like blush. I love the trend of using so much blush. It's so pretty. Like I feel like it just makes you look more alive. I also have this tiny one from Tarte that I'm just gonna try to put over it. Watch, this is not even gonna change. Actually, kind of looks good. Okay, I never know when to stop. Okay, Sierra's gonna come in one sec. What? Okay, and now for highlight, I have a little makeup conspiracy theory. So as we all know, Becca Champagne Pop is like the best highlighter. This is a mini one, look how cute that is. Becca recently came out that they were like shutting down, going out of business because of COVID, or they didn't have enough sales or whatever it was. And so they posted that, and then I saw another post that they were giving away like a free bag of makeup because they had to get rid of everything with anything you ordered. So I was like, okay, sick, I'll order like the cheapest thing. So I love this highlighter. I already had some, but I just ordered a mini version because, oh, actually I ordered the mini version because the big ones always break when I go on trips. So I thought that the mini one like wouldn't break as easily. So I ordered this expecting to get a free bag of makeup, and I didn't because I don't think they're actually going out of business. I think that they just posted about that And this is totally just an idea of mine. I haven't actually researched this. It's probably totally not true. But I thought that maybe they said that so then everyone went and bought stuff from them and then like grew to love them again. Because now I get emails from them all the time. They don't seem like they went out of business. So I don't know. I think that was just a PR stunt type vibe. But if they are, then I want more of this highlighter because I do love it. It's my favorite. It just like looks better than any other one. I just do the tip of my nose right here, this area. Also, I'm just putting on a little chapstick because my lips get so dry when I put on like powder and foundation and everything. All right, and now my face makeup is done. So I'm going to set it with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Setting Spray. I'm almost out of this, which is good because I don't actually like it that much. I think it's too dewy. I think it just makes you look like greasy and like sweaty, but I don't know. Some people like that look. Oh my god, I have a funny story. Not funny, it's disgusting. But I thought I'd share because it recently happened to me today. I need one of those like makeup fans. I usually just use an eyeshadow palette. But it's only on this side of my face that always looks shinier than this one. I don't know what that's about. Oh, also I can take out my hair. Actually, that looks really bad. Yeah, no, I'm putting it back up. That looks bad too. I don't know what to do. Okay, whatever. Oh, this happened to me today. So while I do my brows, I'll talk about it. I'm just using this little angled tiny itsy bitsy brush. And then this. I haven't used this palette in a while. My Jaclyn Hill palette. What is the most disgusting thing that's ever happened to me? I don't want that ever again. So disgusting. I was just gonna talk about that. So as you guys can tell, oh, by the way, I've never used actual brow products. I always use eyeshadow, so I'm using that shade right there, probably mixed with that one. Anyways, so today I woke up and I noticed that at the back of my throat, like over there, I had 2 little white dots, and I was like, that's weird, that's suspicious. I was like, oh, maybe it's like I don't know what I thought it was, like a canker sore or something. I took a picture and sent it to my parents. I was like, what is this? So apparently it's called a tonsil stone. If you guys have ever had that, please let me know, because it like felt really weird, and it's like these 2 little like bumpy spike things at the back of my throat. Just the thought of it grosses me out. So at work all day, I like felt them in my throat and I was like, this is disgusting. Like I was like, oh god. And my mom's like, oh, you should go to the emergency or like the urgent care to have them check it out. And so I was just like, no, I'll just like wait till I get home and like research it. So anytime I ate or drank anything all day, I was like feeling these weird things, like spikes in the back of my throat. And then I got home and I researched it, and apparently you can just push on them and they'll come out. And so it was like these 2 tiny little dots. So I thought if I push on it, like they'll just come out. This was probably the most disgusting thing ever. Push on my cheek, and then this whole glob, like under my cheek, of tonsil stone comes out. And it's like this glob. I have a picture of it, but I'm not going to show you unless you want to see it. And it was just like this glob of like, it looked like it was like hard but like whitish yellow. It was so disgusting, and like these little like circle things. It was so gross, and it came out of my cheek and I almost cried. I was like, what the hell, like that is so gross. And so that happened, and then they came out and I was like, ew. And I was like, is that normal? Like what just happened? And then I looked up all these videos, and it's kind of satisfying because it's kind of like pimple popping videos, but it's kind of disgusting because it's like the inside of your cheek, something coming out of it. And okay, as my sister just said, it's because you have bad hygiene, but I don't think so because I brush my teeth twice a day. I floss every night. Like I don't think that would be what it's from. Okay, and now for my eyes. So I got these magnetic lashes and I tried them, and no, don't use those. Oh, also I have another condition that I need to talk about. Anyways, so the magnetic lashes, they just didn't really work that well in the eyeliner. Like kind of irritated my eyes, so I'm not going to use those, but I thought that'd be kind of fun to try in a video. But I have this little, you guys probably can't see, but it's right there. It's like a little white dot. I've had it there for like a week, and I looked that up too because obviously Google's my doctor, and apparently it's called a millennia or something like that, and like babies have them usually, and you can get them. It's like just dead skin buildup like right there, and it's like I sound like I don't take care of myself in this video because I'm like, oh yeah, there's this white stuff in the back of my throat, I have this white stuff on my face, but apparently they go away or you have to exfoliate. So I've been trying to exfoliate it, but like I don't want to get anything like a scrub in my eye, so I'm trying to just take like a towel every night and like rub it. Like you guys can see it, it's like this little white, like a little white dot right there. Oh, I'm not even explaining what I'm doing, but I'm just taking like the beige colors and mixing them all together on my eyelid. This is like all I do for eyeshadow, and then I'm just gonna take the same colors and go under my eye. Ooh, I have some updates about boys. So I I had this TikTok crush. His name's Christopher Mann, and he had all these TikToks, and I thought he was the most attractive, like my type to a T person. No, he looked like one of my ex-boyfriends, my like first love, but like a lot, like just more perfect. So his name's Christopher Mann. He's really attractive. I'll put him on the screen. Actually, should I not release his identity? Whatever. I had added him on Snapchat like a year ago and commented on his Instagram like date me, marry me, just like being annoying. So the other day he added me back on Snapchat and literally started talking to me, and I was like, I literally told him, I was like, you are the hottest person ever. I actually don't use Snapchat anymore, so I don't even get notifications, so I haven't even checked it. Maybe he Snapchatted me recently, but I haven't checked it in like a couple days. But he's so attractive. Except I don't know how to talk to people on Snapchat, like it's so awkward. So anyways, I started talking to him on Snapchat, and I'll let you go if we get married. I'm just kidding, but he is super attractive, except I think he lives in another state. So if he ever comes to LA, I would love to meet him and just hang out with him and like just look at him, because he's perfect. Like he's literally perfect. I love him. Just kidding. Oh my god, why did I reveal his identity? I might have to take this part out of the video, but I won't say anything bad. I'm just saying he's so attractive and I would love to date him. In other news, I was asked out on a date and I declined because I'm just not ready to date right now. It's like I just got out of a very toxic relationship, and like and my mom was like, why wouldn't you date? He is cute. Why wouldn't you go out with him? I'm like, because I just want to be by myself. I love being single. I didn't like being in a relationship, and I just think it's so much work to be like worrying about what someone's doing, worrying about how they're feeling. Like of course I care about how my friends are feeling and all that, but like I just can't like take hold of another person right now. And I'm like good on my own. Like I'm busy, I'm happy, so I don't really need a man's. Also, please comment good April Fool's Day pranks, because I want to do one, like a really good one. Also, I'm so sorry I haven't been explaining anything. I'm just doing eyeshadow. It's really boring. Also, I really want to go to Palm Springs with like a huge group of people, and so I've been trying to plan it, but I just don't know like a huge group of people. Like I literally have like, I mean I have friends, but they're all from like different groups and stuff, so like it'd be kind of weird to like mix. But I really just want to go to Palm Springs and like have a fun summer. Actually, I'm going to Laguna for like a week, so that'll be so fun. What else do I have to talk about? I don't know. Nothing else is really going on besides work. Oh shoot, I haven't done my hair and I have to leave. Maybe just no highlighter. This is like my go-to when I'm late. Sorry, I look so unflattering right now. I'm so excited. We're going to like one of my favorite restaurants. I'm meeting my parents and my dad's stepmom. I haven't seen her in like over a year, I think. Oh. And then I'm gonna use, I lost my Smashbox primer and I was really liking it, but I just don't know where she went. I'm like, how did I lose that? Like, actually, I know, I'm so messy. This recently has been my favorite mascara. It's like the Tarte C collection, and it's called Surfer Curl. Makes my lashes look really long and they're not. This mascara makes them look pretty good. And with a primer, it looks really good, but I just don't know my primer in it. Like, look at that. Okay, it looks really messy, but it's different. Like, this one's so much prettier. All right, what do I do with my hair? Okay, so I just brushed through my hair and it's kind of frizzy, so I'm just putting some Moroccan oil at the bottom. Okay, but this is my makeup. Oh, I didn't do my lips. I'm gonna use my Coconut by Kylie Cosmetics. Oh, if you know where I can get this, because they've literally never restock it and it's always sold out. This is my favorite lip liner. I need a new one. I'm gonna do a little Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk. Sierra gave this to me. Wait, one sec. And then I'm just gonna change my outfit and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so I just got dressed. I'm wearing this little dress from Shein. Looks like that. It's really cheaply made though, not my favorite. Then I'm just wearing this jean jacket over to make it more casual. And then I'm just wearing my Adidas Stan Smith, like these. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed seeing me do my makeup for a long time. I haven't done it, so I just enjoyed doing this chill little video. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.